Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressions Fluorescent Studio. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and it's okay. It's kind of interesting, but I want to experiment with using more Amsterdam Black and white. And I want to do it together, actually. And I don't know how it's going to be, but I know I'm going to have to do it at one stroke. And usually I would think about moving it down to the edge, but I'm going to tip it back, I believe. Maybe a little more black. And if I don't fill all my gaps, then I'll do something else. I'll add some more. This is shiny taffeta. This is a Prizm pour. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. There's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code. This is Harvest Moon. This is a primary element. I'm not so sure about how this is going to work, but I'm going to give it a shot. This is Saffron. That's a primer. That's a Prizm pour. This is Orange Crush. I think I'm going to put some of my sour lemon with Orange Crush in it before that. And then I'm going to go back and put the Orange Crush in. I'm not sure I can get away with what I have in mind, but I'm going to try it anyway. Let's do, no, I was going to do some Chantilly lace, but I'm just going to go for the purple. It either works or it doesn't. We'll find out right now. I made up, this is Periwinkle Vivid Intense, and this is what I made up. It's pretty similar in color, but it's based with Frostbite, and then I added a few drops of Red Violet Vivid Intense and some deep purple. And I think I'm going to use some of the Red Violet anyway. I was going to use some Crabapple, but I haven't come to terms with whether I can or not. I think it's pretty empty. Oh, I got some. I was going to say it's pretty empty. And I'm really tempted to use some Chantilly lace now that I'm almost done. Did I miss out anything? I didn't put any Isadora in there, and I want to. That's a primary element. So was the Crabapple. I'm nervous that this beginning here is not going to be what I want it to be. Alright, that's a lot of paint. I'm going to use my large spatula, and I kind of want to do white on this side and black on this, white on the top, black on the bottom. I might be tempted to pull it a little bit to one side. I think I am going to have to find an edge catcher. Tried to scrape that off. So this might be great colors. We'll see, I guess. think I'm going to want to use a smaller spatula, and I have a little one I want to try anyway. It's this small. That's beautiful. Okay, so I like the white with the black a lot. And I'm going to try some of the similar coloring. There's the saffron. There's the sour lemon with orange crush in it. Here's the red violet vivid intense. Here's the Isadora. So if I do this, I want black on the tip this time. I'm not sure, I've never used the little tiny spreader. Oh, I annihilated some cells I really liked. Oh well. So the background doesn't look that bad. I still need an edge catcher. And I'm pretty sure I have one. Actually, I have one right here. It's just maybe a little larger than I want it to be. And after I tip this some, let's go that way first. After I tip it some so that I fill in some of the spaces I have. Oh, that turned out nice over here. I really like how that looks. So whatever I tip off, I can also scrape up off my edge catcher. I don't want that to go all the way over. I would have liked a shorter edge catcher, but it's not what I had handy. I really like that black. I kind of wish I had some more. I guess that there's an opportunity to put some more in there. And I might do that now before I continue on. I have too many bottles. What am I going to put there? That's the question. Saffron. I think some more of this crabapple if I can get it out. Gotta be careful, there's not really a lot of room in there. I love the sour lemon. And I'm going to wipe off my spatula so it's somewhat clean. I'm coming that way, so I need it to be on the left hand edge this time. I just had this brainstorm that I want some of this red violet. Use my scrapings and scridlins. I might wind up having to black the edges, but I don't think I care. Now, I love a lot of this, but that's not one of the things I love. And I'm thinking, well, let's tip first. Do I still have a handhold? I still have a handhold, yay. kind of want to bring this black down. And I'm thinking also that if I put a little more black in there, I can probably move it a lot more easily. And I've got a little gap over here I kind of want to fill in. Oh, I lost some paint. Well, it's not really lost yet since it's on the edge catcher. And it can be recovered. Although, that looks like something really odd. Let's try not to get rid of all of the good paint. I'm going to grab an oxo omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Try and be clever. I'm not being very clever. Now what I'm thinking is I'm going to take this paint right off my edge catcher and use it to diffuse that area of color I'm not sure about. Do I have any more paint? Now I want to tip that again, but I really don't want to lose what I've got. I do have a small acetate tool. Excuse me. I want to use something bright. If I can get any more of the crabapple and a little bit of the red violet. Still touching that with my head. I use my acetate tool to take that pretty paint off of there. You can use it upside down to apply paint pretty easily. So I'm probably using up all my time, but I think those two things are going to go in the bucket. Well, at least one of them is. The other one I'm probably just going to clean off because I like this size acetate tool. I will try, and you should remind me if I don't add the whoa, that turned out great. If I don't add the video for making the acetate tools, remind me. Now I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which makes it a good possibility. I have not very much white, and so I'm thinking that I might like to do something about that. That's the Saffron Orange Crush. Sour lemon. Now do I dare? Maybe I want a larger tool now that I look at it. Can I actually do this? Maybe I should do it in a couple of stages. So I lost my edge. The front edge didn't touch down. That's my bad, but I think I can fix it. No, not with that one. I'm going to find a different spatula, different palette knife. I've got 3 minutes. And I'm pretty happy with all of this. And I've got enough paint on my turntable, or my silicone mat covering my turntable, to use on my edges. I'm not sure how I feel about this area that didn't sell. It's selling on the edge. Well, I'm going to put some more paint on there. There. Wipe this off. Go back again. There, I'm loving that, all of that. I have just about enough time to shimmer that at you, I hope. Couple of spirals. I'm sure they'll look like something to someone. I'm not sure about that white. The Ghost in the Machine. I will be picking up colors after. I kind of lost some beautiful cells up there. I want to tip it, but I really don't want to lose the rest of this. Although, I'm thinking, I'm here. Now let's just grab the small. I had a little uncovered canvas there at the edge too, I just noticed. So that's kind of neat. I'm going to torch. This white is driving me nuts. Just needs to be something cohesive. Now I'm going to torch. That was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me. I hope you come again. I post at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be trying more black and white combination cell activators. I got 1 minute left to say, can you give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind? When you share my videos, you help me out. Your comments boost my morale and help me out. Your donations through PayPal and memberships help me out, help me buy art supplies. I'm going to have to try really fast to get my phone on and shimmer that at you. That's cool. I wanted to do something with orange and a little bit of purple. 'Tis the season. Good colors. Lots of fun. I love you guys. You inspire me always. Check out my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. Look for the 20% off Color Arte coupon code. I'm an affiliate, so you help me when you shop there. Pixel Paint Designs has a 10% off coupon code for Pebeo paints.